Today we're going to show you how to tie a Windsor knot. So the Windsor knot is a triangular knot and it is best on a spread collar. This is a very polished look and is great for special occasions or even a job interview. First thing you're going to do is make sure that your sides are very uneven. And we're going to cross over the longer, wider side and we're going to bring it up into a knot like this. Bring the longer side around the back and wrap it through again like this. The inside of the knot here, you're gonna put your finger there to hold it, and we're gonna wrap it around, wrap the long side around your finger, bring it up through the back, and the wide part will go right in the loop you created with your finger. There we have it, that's the Windsor knot. Make sure you stick around and check out more of our tie tutorials.